Hello guys, I don't know, it's 10 midnight or something.
Wow, fantastic, baby.
And I just got a message. Yeah, I've been addicted to this phone, man. Holy shit. It's insane how much time I waste on this thing. But yeah, less consuming, more producing. So let's produce a video for today. Last tutorial we learned how to make a stickman. Then we learned how to make a gun for your stickman. Now we will learn how to make a stickwoman. You can draw a stickwoman however you like. Some people usually draw a stickwoman like this, and then you can have two hands to this, like a triangle. Triangle is a good way to put it, because it's the way why we perceive triangles as women is because of the shape. You see how the hip area of a woman, it's usually what expands and then it goes in and it goes like over the shoulders and everything out. So you have like a woman would have like that hip area, you know? So this is why our body perceives this triangle as a woman and not a man. I mean, it's really hard to perceive this as a man if you are not living in a culture where this is usually referring to a man, but that culture is almost, that culture is just really hard to find, because most of the Europe culture is where you would draw like this in toilets and stuff like that, and it's like easier for the brain to perceive like that because of our natural instincts and how we perceive
Fantastic, baby.
and how we perceive body shapes. And I need to turn off this. This is one way of drawing a stick woman. The other way you could draw it, of course, you could just draw a normal stick man and just give her boobs. I mean, nothing's stopping you from that. You can make it a heart shape. You can also start with a heart shape like this, and then you can just make it like this. That's maybe a bit too explicit. Not go the explicit way. A less explicit way of doing it, you can make her like this. Just simple forms. And then you have your stick woman here. You see what I'm talking about is this curvature. This curvature that's going inside and then it's going outside like this. And we're going to be studying this curvature when we get later on in the drawing, where we actually be drawing anime girls and stuff like that. But for now, we're going for with the basic shapes. Now that I've started drawing triangles, maybe you should also know how to draw triangles. So this is a triangle, right? It's just, think of a Egyptian pyramid, you know? And but how, like, the triangle looks pretty flat. How do I make it more dimensional, you know? Well, the thing of doing it is adding a line like this. You see, now triangle looks more dimensional. It looks like it has gonna go mathematically in here, but it has an x-axis is as an y-axis, and it has depth that goes inside the picture as depth, which you would refer to as the z-axis in terms of mathematics usually. And that's how you draw a stick woman. If this tutorial was a bit confusing, just ask me. I will try to answer the best I can in the comments down below. And thank you guys for watching, and the next drawing tutorial will be about triangles. Goodbye.